Chinki Drawing Arts! Today we're drawing something fluttery, shiny, and full of magic! It's a dragonfly! Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure! Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, add this curve here. Great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life?
Red like apples, blue like
Yellow
sky,
color.
green like
So sunny and happy.
Grab your markers, paint and pen. Let's make magic once again. Color time, color
Red
time,
color, la la la.
sun and
So
moon
bright,
and a buzzing
apple.
bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super
You must try this.
Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Color up from toe to top. We won't stop. Flip, flop, pop. Up and down, side to side. Chinky's colors make you smile so wide. Draw your dreams and draw your heart. You're the star of every
Wow, look how cool your drawing looks already.
Color time, yay, hooray. We make art in every way. Chinky's world is bright and fun. Let's keep drawing everyone.
Nice.
Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings. Slow and smooth. Ooh, look at those colors shine! It's looking better than ever! And you did it! Just look at your drawing! It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful! Just like you! Give yourself a high five! You worked so hard, and it totally shows! Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little